In this tutorial, I will show you how to create any type of photography website really fast. As photography is a creative profession, so your website should look really professional, creative and unique. If you're a wedding photographer, your website should look like a wedding photographer's website. It shouldn't look like a generic business website, right? I will show you how you can make your wedding photography website where you can showcase all your previous work, about your pricing, working process, creating contact forms, everything. If you are a fashion or sports photographer, or if you do still life or portrait photography, I will show you how to make a creative photography website for that, where you can showcase your photos, videos, you can include all of your services, client testimonials, everything. Then let's say if you're an aerial photographer, you make awesome drone shots, property footage, then of course you should have a different type of website that will represent your aerial photography at its best. So I will show you how you can make your own aerial photography website. Now the most interesting thing is, if you want to create any of these websites, you don't need to know a single line of coding, because we will be creating all these websites by using a free software called WordPress, a free theme called Hello, and a drag and drop page builder called Elementor. Now let me introduce you to myself first. My name is Fahad. I'm a professional web designer. So basically you are learning from a real professional web developer. Personally, I do charge $1,500 to $3,000 to create this type of photography website for my clients. So if you're a photographer, this video will save you $1,500 to $3,000. And let's say if you're a freelancer, you can create an awesome website for your photographer client by watching this video, and then you can charge them $1,500 to $3,000. I'm really excited to show you everything step by step. If you are excited like me, please give this video a big thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. I have split this video into 4 easy steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you a 60% discount link. Then we will install WordPress. Then we will install a free theme and a free page builder, that's Elementor. Finally, we will start creating and customizing our amazing photography website. I will be also adding a timestamp in the description, so you can always jump into the necessary part you need. Let's now start with step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can go to jimfahaddigital.com/hosting. And this will take you to a special discounted Bluehost page. So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I'm a web developer. I tried so many other web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost, and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted tons of websites here, and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really cooperative in case you need any help, and their price is really affordable. That's why I always recommend Bluehost. So now click on Get Started. Here you can see their different plans. The main difference between them, with the basic plan, you can host only one domain. You can take their Plus or Choice Plus plan if you want to host unlimited domains. Also, you can take their Pro plan if you have millions of visitors on your website already. I recommend starting with the basic plan. Then in future, you can upgrade that anytime. Now let's select the basic plan. Now we will select our domain name. If you already have a domain name that you want to use, you can just go ahead here on the right. But for now, I'm gonna get a new one. Now here, let's try for something like apple.com and click next. It says the domain apple.com cannot be used on Bluehost. Please try a different domain name. It should be because we cannot take that, because we all know that's Apple's official website. So we will be typing our own domain name here. And also, if you click on the right side, you can see .site, .net, .info websites. I always recommend to take .com websites because it looks more professional and legit. So I'm gonna type here, let's say our elementor.com, as we are going to make our website through Elementor page builder. And now click on next. It says our elementor.com is available. That's awesome. And here we need to put our account information. I'm putting mine here really fast only to not make you bored. Okay, here you can see the business name field. If you don't have a business, just keep it blank or put your full name. But here's the most important thing, that's your email address. Make sure you put your correct email address because after completing purchase, a receipt will be sent to that email address. So make sure you put your best email address here. Alright, now scroll down, here's the package information. And it's automatically set to 36 months, and this is gonna be your cheapest plan. So yes, you're paying for 36 months upfront, but it comes out to only around $3.95 a month. So this is 50% off. That's gonna be your biggest discount. Now what I recommend is to just do 12 months if you don't want to commit to the 36 months or 24 months. It's still 33% saving and it's only around $5.95 a month. And you also have your domain name for 12 months. So no more additional cost for your domain for these 12 months. And here you got package extras. First, here is the option for domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good. And I always recommend having domain privacy so no one gets to know who is the owner of the website. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm deselecting this one. Let's click on turn it off. Because I don't want to hide myself at this moment, I want to be transparent. So if anyone knows I own this website, I have no problem. You can keep this one checked if you want, not a big deal. I'm also deselecting all other options they are offering. We actually don't need that. They are just upselling their stuff. Alright. Now you can see the price is now only $71.40 for the full year, including the domain. That's awesome. And I'm legally obligated to tell you that this is my affiliate link. So I do get a little bit of commission off of this, but it does save you a ton of money. And it helps fund these free YouTube tutorials what I'm doing. So everybody wins. I really appreciate it. And here is the payment information. I'm putting my credit card number here, expiration date and CVV code. Then select this one here so that you are agreed to their terms and policy. Now click on submit. It says your purchase was a success. Also, you can see here is your receipt. They will also send it to your email. I'm also waiting to get that email. Meantime, we can create our Bluehost account. So let's click on this create account button here. Here's the domain name that's automatically selected. Now let's create our password. Create a really strong password combining capital letters, numbers, special characters. You know how to make a strong password. And then retype the password in the second field. Now check this once again that you have agreed with their terms and policy. Now click on create account. I already have received an email to confirm my purchase. So I'm opening my email. You will also get an email like this. Then click here, verify your email. It's very important. So it's now verified. Awesome. Now let's log in into our Bluehost account with the domain name and password we have just created. If you are logging in for the first time, you may see a pop-up like this. Like it says, let's create a website. Bluehost actually want to help you to make the website. Just click at the very bottom there. I'm not creating a website because I will be showing you everything step by step. And skip all of these pop-ups because we don't need any of that. Cool! We have successfully registered our domain name and web hosting. Congratulations! So far, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you personally. So now we can move on to step number 2, which is to install WordPress. And for some reason, if you logged out, then log in again. Now from left menu bar, click on My Sites. Then you can click here Create Site or here Create a WordPress Site. I'm clicking here. So let's now add a site name and site tagline. We can change that anytime. So I'm putting a site name Jim Fahad Production and site tagline it deserves to be seen. Now let's click on Advanced. Here you need to put your email address, your username and password for your WordPress. So I'm putting my email address here. WordPress admin username, I want to name it Jim Fahad. And here let's put a password. Do you want to see my password? I'm clicking here on show. So it's ABC123. I will of course show you how you can change it later. So for now, click on next. Close this browser pop-up. Now it says where we want to install our WordPress. So make sure you keep this directory blank. And here is your domain name selected. And Bluehost here is suggesting some free plugins, but we don't need that. Let's deselect this all. Now click next. Awesome, it says WordPress installed successfully. Now you can copy this information right here and save that somewhere on your computer where you can access it again later. And click here to show your password. Actually, I intentionally gave this an easy password that's ABC123. Never ever use this kind of easy password. I'm showing you shortly how you can change that password. We can now sign into WordPress by clicking here, but this is not the usual way because all the time you cannot log in this way, I mean from this page, this button, right? So you should get used to signing into WordPress all the time is by going up to a new window and typing in your domain name /wp-admin. So I'm typing here my domain name ourelementor.com/wp-admin and click enter. So we can see our WordPress login page here. That means WordPress has installed successfully. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes to 24 hours to process this installation, and this process is called propagation. It basically has to let everyone know that, hey, this new domain name now exists and registered. But we can see our website instantly. They actually say it might take 30 minutes to 24 hours, but I've been using Bluehost for more than 10 years. I always get domain live immediately. Actually, that's another reason why I love Bluehost. So now you know that your domain name is working. So go ahead and just gonna type in my name, which was the user that I created, and I'm gonna type that easy password ABC123. You can click this eye icon to show it. Now let's click on login. So right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. And I will make you familiar with all of these options. Like here on the left side, you can see its users, plugins, appearance, pages, media, posts. Actually, all these are super basic and super easy. I will make you familiar with all of these. But now, before doing any other thing, I just want to clean up my WordPress dashboard because personally, I love to work in a clean environment. Like here we can see some notifications, so just click on this X to get rid of these notifications. Also, let's close this, and you know what, you can just open up these screen options, and from here you can deselect all of them like this. Let's deselect all of them like this. So if we minimize the screen options, our dashboard is now looking much better or cleaner. But also I wanna make my WordPress dashboard more cleaner. To do it, from left, let's hover over on plugins. From there, go to install plugins. Basically, all these plugins came with default WordPress installation, but I don't need any of them. So first of all, let's select all these plugins by checking this one. Now from bulk action, first of all, let's select the deactivate, then click on apply. And then again, you can check one by one like this, or you can check all of them together by checking here. This time from the bulk action, click on delete, then click on apply. The browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. So our all unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Cool. And now I wanna clean up some more things. So from left, let's go to pages, to all pages. Here we can see some dummy pages. So let's select all of them together. Now from bulk action, click on move to trash and click on apply. Then I also want to clean up all the posts. So from here left on the posts, go to all posts. Here we can see a dummy blog post. Just click here on trash to delete the blog post. Then the next thing, I wanted to show you how to change your password, because you may remember we have given an easy password that was ABC123. So to change that easy password, from left, let's hover over on users. From there, go to profile. Now from here, let's just scroll down. But if you want to change your email address, you can do that from here. But I want to keep this email address. Let's now scroll down because I wanted to change our password. So here under account management, it says new password. So click here on set new password. And here WordPress is suggesting a strong password, but I want to type a password by my own. So here first I'm hiding the password so you cannot see it. And here I'm typing the password. Alright, so it says medium, but I'm okay with it. Let's now scroll down and click here on update profile. And then I wanna do another basic settings. So to do it, from here, hover over on settings. From there, let's now click on permalinks. So from here, always make sure the post name is selected, because sometimes by default the plain or the day and name has selected. But I always suggest to select this post name option because it's good for search engine optimization. Alright, let's now scroll down and click on save changes. Then the next thing I want to do, I want to change the theme of our website. And to do that, from left, let's hover over on appearance. From there, click on themes. And here, all these themes you are seeing, all these came with default WordPress installation. But I don't want to use any of them. I want to use a super lightweight theme. That's Hello Elementor theme. So to install a new theme, let's click here at the top. It says add new. And from the right search bar here, I'm searching for Hello Elementor. Here you go. This is the theme I was looking for. So from here, Hello Elementor, just click on install to install the theme. And then click on activate to activate the Hello Elementor theme. Alright, now the next thing I want to do, I want to create an empty page first. So to create a new page, from left, hover over on pages. From there, let's click on add new. So first of all, we need to give this page a name. So here I'm giving this page a name that is my photography. Now from the top right corner, click on publish, then click on publish one more time. So this is basically an empty page. Now I want to edit this page by using Elementor Page Builder. And for that reason, we need to install Elementor Page Builder plugin. Now to install Elementor Page Builder, from left, hover over on plugins. From there, let's now click on add new. And here from the right search bar, here I'm typing Elementor. Here you go. This is the Elementor Page Builder. It says Elementor Website Builder. Now click on install now. And then click on activate to activate Elementor Page Builder. Then it takes us to the onboarding page, but I don't want to do anything with that. So from the top right corner, click on X. Alright, and I also want to minimize this from the dashboard. So open the screen options. From here, deselect Elementor overview. So like I said, I love to work in a clean environment. Alright, now like I said, I want to create our first page by using Elementor Page Builder. So this time from pages, let's go to all pages. And here is our my photography page. Now from here, if you hover over, you can see here is a little edit icon or edit text. Just click on edit. And as we have installed and activated Elementor Page Builder, that's why at the top we can see edit with Elementor button. So just click on edit with Elementor. So right now we are inside Elementor Page Builder. First, let me familiar you with the Elementor Page Builder or how it actually works. Okay, so first of all, just forget about this top header and the bottom footer because these are coming from the Hello theme. Later, we will be replacing this header and footer with our beautiful header and footer. So for the moment, just focus this canvas on the right side and this area on the left side. So basically from the left side, if we scroll down here, we can see multiple widgets or elements. These are basically Elementor widgets or Elementor elements. Actually creating a page within Elementor is super fun. So the basic idea is here at the left side here, we can see this is the heading element or heading widget. If you want to use any heading on your website, you just need to drag this heading from left side to the right side within your main website canvas. So now I just want to create a quick top banner area so you would get a better idea about how it works. Okay, so to create a new section, first of all, we need to click on this red plus icon. So click here and you can select any of these structures from here. So to keep it simple, I'm selecting this first structure. Now here everything you can see within this blue line, this is our section, and if you want to increase the height of the section, you can do that from left side. Here you see it says height, so I'm setting it as minimum height. So by default it's set to 400 pixel, but if you just drag this bar to the right, you see the section height is started increasing, or if you wanna make it smaller, you can just drag it to the left. You see the height is started decreasing. Okay, and here instead of dragging is here and there, I just wanna put a value that would be 700 pixel. So its height is 700 pixel from top to bottom, this area. Now if you wanna add any background color with this section, all you need to do, you just need to go under style tab. From here you see it says background type, click on this pencil icon and open the color picker from here. Now from this color picker you can select any color like this. Also if you wanna add any bluish color, just drag this to the blue color and you can set the contrast from here. So for the moment I'm keeping it black. Also let's say instead of a solid background color, if you wanna use a background image, you can do that as well. So just click outside and underneath it says image. So click here to choose an image. Now from here, if you want to upload any image from your desktop, you just need to click here on select files. Now from my desktop I'm selecting this image, click on open. It's uploaded. Now from here click on insert media. And here you go, we can see the background image here, but if you want you can adjust its position from here. You see it says position, so from here if you want you can set its position to center right. So you see it's now positioned from center right, but instead of that I just want to position it to center. Then from repeat I'm selecting no repeat, and from the size I'm setting it to cover, so the background covers all the area of this section. Now let's say within this section I want to insert a heading. So to do it, just click on this plus icon. Now from left you see this is the heading widget or heading element. Now simply drag this heading from left to the right side here. Then if you want to change this text, you just need to triple click over here and you can change the text, or from left within this field here, let's say I just want it to say JFD photography. Okay, by default its alignment is left, but I wanna make it centered aligned. So from here alignment I'm setting it to centered. And then if you wanna do some styling with this heading, all you need to do, you just need to go under this style tab. Now if you wanna change the color of this heading, from here the text color, let's open the color picker. For example, I just wanna make its color to white, so I'm dragging this to the white color. Alright, then from the typography, let's click on this pencil icon. If you want to change the font family, just click here. You see here are tons of free Google fonts. You can select any of them, but personally I like the Poppins font, so here I'm searching for Poppins. Here you go, let's select Poppins. Then if you want to make it more bolder or lighter, you can do that from here on the weight. So I want to make it really bold, so I'm selecting 900. Then from the transform, if you want to make it all uppercase, you can do that from this place. Also from the style, if you want to make it italic, you can do that. But you know what, I just want to keep it normal like this. Then if you want, you can also play around with the line height, letter spacing, word spacing. There are so many options for you. And here, if you want to increase or decrease the size of this font, then you just need to drag this bar to the right side to make it bigger. You can drag this to the left to make it smaller. But I just want to keep it to 60 pixel like this. Now underneath this heading, I want to add a paragraph. Okay, so to do it from left, let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon. And here, this is the text editor widget. Let's drag this text editor widget underneath this heading here. Now here we can see this text. If you want to change the text with your own text, you can do that from here. Just change this text with your own. And you know, if you want to do some styling with it, go under the style tab. First of all, I'm making its alignment to centered, and the text color, I'm making it white as well. And you know, you can also play with its typography. Like if you want, you can also change its font. You can change the font size, font weight, everything from here. So for the moment, I'm just making the font size to 18 pixel. Alright, now underneath this paragraph or text, I wanna add a button. So to do it, just click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and from left, I'm dragging this button widget underneath this paragraph here. Now, by default, it says click here. If you wanna change this click here to any other text, you can do that from left. So instead of the click here, I want it to say see services. Now I wanna make the alignment to centered, so from here I'm setting the alignment to centered. Then if you wanna increase or decrease the size of this button, you can do that from here. So the size, if you want, you can make it really large like this, but it's looking weird, so I just wanna go back to small. Then let's say with this text, if you wanna add an icon, you can do that as well from here. So it says icon. From here, just click on this icon library dot icon here. You will find tons of free icons from this place. So only to give you an example, I'm selecting this check icon. Now click on insert. We can see the icon here at the left side. But let's say if you wanna move this icon to the right side, you can do that from here. So icon position, instead of before, I'm setting it as after. So it's now after the text. But in my opinion, the before is much better. Alright, if you now wanna do some styling with this button, let's just go under the style tab. But before that, I wanna tell you another thing under the content. If you wanna make any link with this button, you just need to remove this hash from here, and you can put your other page's link here. So whenever anyone clicks on this button, that will take them to that page. Alright, let's now go under style tab because I wanna do some styling with this button. So first of all, you can do all the typography stuff from here, like if you wanna change the font family, font size, font weight, everything you can do from this place. And now I wanna change the background color, this green color, with any other color. So to do it, from here color, let's open this color picker. I just wanna make it a reddish color. So first of all, let's drag this to a reddish color. And we can change the contrast from this place, so something like this. Alright, now I want to show you another interesting thing. Have a look here. If I hover over on this button, nothing is changing. But on the hover, I want to change its color. So to do it, let's now go under hover here. So on hover, I want to change the background color from here. On hover, I wanna make it white color, and the text color, I wanna make that red color. So here I'm selecting the same red color. Now have a look here. Initially it's looking like it, and when I hover over on this button, the background color becomes white and the text color becomes red. Also, let's say if you wanna add any hover animation with this button, you can also do that from here. So it says hover animation. From here, you can select any of this animation. For example, I'm selecting grow. So now if I hover over on this button, we can see the grow effect with it. How cool is that? Alright, now I wanna show you another thing. Let's say if you wanna add some space in between of these elements. For example, I'm selecting this text editor widget. So let's say if you want to add some space at the top and bottom, how can you do that? Okay, so to do it, first of all, make sure you have selected this text editor. Now, not under the style tab, you need to go under its advanced tab. So from here, first of all, I'm unlinking the padding by clicking here. So if you want to add some space at the top, you need to do that from here. You see, it says top. So for example, if I wanna add some space at the top, here I'm adding 100 pixel. You see 100 pixel of spacing has been added at the top. But at the top, I don't need that. Instead, at the left and right, I wanna add 200 pixel of padding. So here at the right, I'm adding 200, and at the left, I'm adding 200 pixel of padding. So right now, it looks more organized. And whenever you are done with designing any of the section, don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. See how easily we have created this beautiful banner section. So in this way, if you want, you can create the whole website from scratch. Like you can just go to this Rubik's Cube icon, you can drag the elements from left side to right side, you can adjust the typography. Like here we have done with this heading, you can go under the style tab, you can change the color, you can play with its spacing from under advanced tab, you can adjust the padding margin like this. So if you want to create your whole website from scratch, you can of course do that. But in this tutorial, my goal is to show you how to make your photography website really fast. If I start creating the whole website from scratch like this, it would take 3 to 4 hours. So instead, I want to use some ready template kits to make our process super faster. But let's say if you're super interested to see how to make a website fully from scratch step by step, then I have a 4-hour long step-by-step tutorial. I will put that tutorial's link in the description. So for the moment, I just wanna go back to our WordPress dashboard. So to do it, from left top, click on this hamburger icon, then click on exit. And yep, I wanna go back to this post. So click on apply. Yes, click on leave. So like I said, we want to create our photography website really faster by using some ready template kits. And to get the ready template kits, one of the best place is KitPapa.com. So KitPapa is basically a ready WordPress or Elementor template kits website. Here you will not only find photography related templates, you will find templates for every niches. For example, if you want to create a freelancer website, if you want to create a business or agency or corporate, or let's say food and restaurant website, you will get all the template kits on this template marketplace. By the way, this is just the starting of their website. I'm not sure when you are watching this tutorial, but when you will watch this tutorial, you can see more templates has been added here on KitPapa.com. Alright, so in this tutorial, our goal is to create beautiful photography websites, right? So from left, from the categories, let's click on photography. At this moment, we can see some photography template kits. Like here, this one, the bird eye, is for aerial photography. Here is dronography, it's another aerial photography. And here is one, it says clicks. It's a modern photography template kit. And then if you scroll down here, you can see another, it says Whitley. It's a wedding photography Elementor template kit. And not only these 5, here will be added more templates every week. But now I just wanna show you the process how you can take template kits from KitPapa.com and use it on your own or your client's websites. So first of all, here, let's say I wanna use this clicks template kit. So first of all, if you wanna show the details of this kit, you just need to click here on this see details button. And here, if we scroll down, we can see all the details about this template kit, like all the features. We don't need Elementor Pro, we can use only Elementor free version. Then all other features, also all the templates you will get, like home page, about page, gallery page, all other pages. Let's scroll up and have a look. Its price is only $14.99. Like I said, personally, I take $1,500 to $3,000 to create a website like this for my clients. But here you are getting this with this affordable price. It's really worth of its penny. And here another interesting thing is, if you click on this documentation button, that will take you to the video documentation. So let's say if you don't follow this video tutorial, what you are watching right now, if you just play this video guideline, you can see all the details guideline from this place, like how to install this template kit from start to bottom. You see it's only 2 to 3 minutes video. So here they have described everything, like how to install a theme, how to install plugins, then how to import the kit, everything. So if you just follow this guideline, you don't even need to watch this tutorial. But of course, in this tutorial, I wanna give you some more value. But I really love this video installation guide. And not only with this kit, if I go to any other kit, let's scroll down. Let's say if I open the Whitley kit from a new tab, let's go to that tab. So here with the Whitley, let's click on documentation. You will get a different installation guide for that. It's really super handy. And also let's scroll up. Here I wanna show you another thing. If you click here on this live demo button, that will open up the website preview on here within this iframe. So let's scroll down. You can see the whole website without exiting this website. So you can get the real feel how your website would be looking. That's a great feature they have added. And also here at the top, I love this feature a lot. Like you can check the responsiveness of your website, how your website looks on tablet device or mobile device. Like here, if I click on this mobile icon, you can instantly see how your website will be looking on mobile devices. And I have personally checked all of their websites are looking great on all the devices like mobile or tablet devices. So you can pre-decide if it's the perfect fit for your business or not. Alright, let's now go back to the clicks one. This one, let's scroll up. So first of all, I just wanna purchase this Elementor template kit. Just click on add to cart. It's added to the cart, okay? Just click on checkout. And then here, their checkout process is pretty easy. You just need to put your email address and username. Then you just need to check that you have agreed with their terms and conditions. Then click on buy now to purchase your template kit. So I'm purchasing this template kit really fast and coming back to you. Alright, so I have purchased the kit. Now let's go to my accounts. And from here under downloads, here I have got this one, Clicks Modern Photography Elementor Template Kit. By the way, I purchased this one before. So here to get the template kit, just click on download and it's downloaded instantly. Basically, after downloading the kit, you will get this zip file. I'm showing you how easily you can make your full photography website just by using the zip file. Alright, let's now go inside our WordPress dashboard. Now, before importing that kit, I just wanna delete the page we have created only to play around with Elementor. So let's go to pages, to all pages. And here, you remember we have created this my photography page. So let's delete it, just click on this trash. And now before importing the Elementor template kit, we need to do few basic settings. So from Elementor, let's first go to settings. Now go under advanced tab. From here, make sure enable unfiltered file uploads. This option is enabled. Now scroll down and click on save changes. And then from here, go under experiments tab. Let's now scroll down. And from here, make sure import export website kit. This option is activated. Let's scroll down and click on save changes. And that's basically it. We are ready to go. Now from here under Elementor, this time click on tools. Now go under import or export kit. And from here you see it says import a template kit. Now click on this green start import button. Then from here click on select file. And this is the zip file we have purchased. So select the zip file and click on open. And then here make sure all this plugin has been selected, because if you deselect any of them like this, then some portion of your website might not work. So make sure all of this plugin has been checked. Now from the right bottom corner click on next. Again make sure everything is checked. Then from here click on import. Now it started installing and activated all the required plugins by itself. Then it might take few seconds to few minutes, so just wait, don't refresh the page. It usually takes 20 to 30 seconds, but if your internet connection is kinda slow, then it might take few minutes. But don't refresh the page, just wait for it. Alright, now it says your kit is now live on your site. Awesome. So from here, now click on close. So it takes us to our WordPress dashboard, and again I just wanna close all these notifications because personally I love to work in a clean environment. Also I just wanna hide all of this, so from screen options let's just deselect all of them. It looks again much cleaner. Okay, now I wanna show you first after importing the template kit what we have got. So here from pages, if I now go to all pages, you see we have got all these pages like about page, blog, contact, gallery, home page, pricing, single blog page, all these pages. And the amazing thing is you can edit or change any of the contents of any of these pages very easily. I'm showing you that very shortly. So let's first start with the home page. So here it says home and it's our front page. Now if I wanna edit the page by using Elementor page builder, then just click here on edit with Elementor. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here within Elementor page builder, we can see our beautiful home page. Let's scroll down, just have an overlook. So everything is looking perfect. Here we can see the video icon. I will walk you through all of this, but first of all, I just wanna show you how fun it is to change the content within Elementor page builder. So here you see this heading, it says clicks the explorer. So of course you wanna change it to with your own name or own brand. So to do it, all you need to do, just click over this text, and you see from left, if you want, you can change this clicks text or the explorer text. So instead of clicks, here I wanted to say gem, and here instead of the explorer, here I wanted to say photography. you see it's instantly changed to gym photography. So similar like that, if you wanna change this paragraph text, just click over it and you can change your paragraph text from this place. Then from here we can see some social icons. If you wanna change the links of these social icons, just click over that, and here we can see Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. By the way, if you wanna add more social icons, you just need to click here on add item, then click here on this icon, and from here you can add any other social handle of yours. For example, here I'm adding Pinterest, then click on insert. You see here after YouTube, Pinterest has been added instantly. And if you want to change the link of your Facebook page or Twitter handle, then all you need to do, for example, let's just open the Facebook. Here within this link field, you just need to post your Facebook page URL. Similar like that, within Twitter, you can post your Twitter handle link. Within YouTube, you can post your YouTube channel's link like that. And here you see the background image is changing because it's a background slider. If you wanna include your own image, to do it, all you need to do, just right click over here and you can click on the navigator. So make sure you have selected the first section, this one. Now from left, go under its style tab, and here we see these background images are basically coming from this. So if you want to insert more images here, you just need to click here on this edit icon. Then let's say if you don't want to keep any of these images, you just click on this X to delete the image from the gallery. Or let's say if you want to add more images on this background slider, then from here click on add to gallery. Now you can upload more images from your computer. Also, if you want, just go to media library. From here you can insert any of the images. For example, I'm selecting this one. Let's now click on add to gallery, then again click on insert gallery. Now have a look. This is the first image in the background. Here is the second image, and then here is our third image that we have just inserted here. Also, you have more controls, like if you don't want the loop, you can deselect that from here. If you wanna reduce the transition time, you can do that from here. So there are lots of customization options. The way you want, you can change everything. Alright, let's now move to the next section. From here, in the same way, if you want, you can change this title, and you already know, you just need to click over that. Then from the left you can change all the text, you can change all this paragraph. Alright, for the moment I'm just closing this navigator by clicking on this X. Then on this video icon, whenever you will see this page on real browser, I mean not within Elementor page builder, on a real web browser, then when you click on this video icon, a video pop-up will be shown here. So if you wanna show there a particular video, all you need to do, just click here on this video icon. Then within this field it says URL to embed. For example, I'm going to YouTube, and let's say if you wanna insert this video, then just copy this YouTube page's link from here. Now go inside Elementor. Then within this URL to embed field, first remove the previous link, and here I'm pasting the YouTube video I have just copied. Very easy. Then let's go to the next section. This is our services section. Here if you want, you can change all these icons, all this text, all these headings, everything on your own way. Also here I want to show you another interesting thing, like if you have more services rather than just this wedding, travel and product, then you can easily duplicate this row. So to do it, all you need to do, just right click over these 6 dots and here click on duplicate. You see here underneath another row has been added instantly. So here, like I said, instead of travel, if you wanted to say Arial, so you can just type here Arial. If you want to change this logo, click over this logo, then from left click here and you can select any of them. For now I'm just adding a camera icon, so this one, select it and click on insert. You see it's instantly added here. So it's easy like that. And not only this area, you can change all the contents in the similar way. Like here we can see some creative curves. Like here, initially we can see only the image, and when you hover over on that, we can see this text. So if you wanna adjust it with your own image and own text, all you need to do, just click over that. Now you can change this image from here. You just need to click here and replace this image with any other image. And if you wanna change this hover text, then from left side, let's scroll down and open this content tab. You see, this title, this in the shadow, is coming from this title field. So you can just change the text from here. Very easy. So similar like that, here we can see the client reviews. This is a nice slider. If you wanna change this, you know what to do, just click over that, and here within this testimonial field, click there. You see, we can see here 3 testimonials. So if you wanna edit them, just click over that, and you can put your client name here, their designation, and the real testimonial text here. Also here on the real testimonial, we can see the headshot. So if you want to put your real client's headshot, you can replace this image with your real client's image. So in the same way, you can change any of the element of the website just by clicking over that. Like also with this one, if you wanna change this image, just click over that. From left, you can replace this image with your own team member's image. If you wanna change this text, just click over that. You can change the content from left. If you wanna change the social handles, just click over that, and you can change the links from here on the left. So it's such easy. And let's scroll down. I'm showing you all other areas, and here we can see the beautiful progress bar. Also, if you want to change that, just click over that. From left side, you can change all the values the way you want. Everything is self-explanatory. Everything is super easy. All you need to do, you just need to replace these images with your own images. You just need to put this information with your own informations. And finally, when you are done with your work, from left, don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. So if now we go back to our WordPress dashboard here, and this time we can see this is our home page, and this time if we click on this view link, I'm opening it from a new tab. Just have a look here. The content has been changed instantly. It says gym photography. Let's scroll down. Here we can see all these with the video, and here if I click on this video icon, you see the video appears, the link we have just put, so people can watch the video from inside of your website like this. So far everything is looking great, but now if we just go to the top of our website, you can see here we cannot see our website's header properly. So now I'm showing you how you can easily add the header and footer of your website. So first of all, let's go back inside our WordPress dashboard. Now to add the header and footer, from left here, you see it says Elements Kit. From there, click on header and footer. Okay, here it's taking some survey. Just click on next every time. So here I'm clicking on next step. Again, click on next step. Again, let's scroll down and click on next step. Again, scroll down, next step. Scroll down, next step. And finally click on save changes. Okay, no problem. Now here from under Elements Kit, this time click on header footer. So now basically from this place we need to add our header and footer, but before that I wanna show you another important thing where you will get the header and footer file. Okay, so you may remember we have purchased this zip file. It's for Clicks Photography Template Kit. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to unzip this zip file. So here I'm unzipping the file, and here we have got this folder. Now let's go inside of this folder. Within that you will find KP-templates folder. KP stands for KitPapa Templates. Now within this KP templates you will find header, footer, contact form, all these JSON files. Alright, so let's first create our header. So from here click on add new. And here I want to name it my header. The type as it would be our header, so make sure you have selected header. Keep the condition to entire site, and here I'm just enabling it. Now click on save changes. Alright, so we can see my header here. Now from this place click on edit, and this time click on edit content button. So now from within the Elementor page builder we need to import the header file. So this time click on this folder icon, and from the right side click on this top arrow icon, then click on select file. Let's go inside the folder we have just unzipped. Now go inside KP templates and let's select the header.json file and open it. So here is our header file. Now click on this green insert button, click on apply, And here we go. Actually, you cannot see the header at this moment, because if you have a look, our background is white and the font colors are also white. So at this moment we cannot see it, but just trust me, the header is here. Because just have a look, if I now click on this green update button to save the header, and if I go to the front end of our website, now let's just refresh the page, and we can see our beautiful header here. On the left we can see our logo, on the right we can see our beautiful navigation menu. I'm showing you very shortly how you can change this menu the way you want, how you can upload your own image here. Actually, all we need to do from inside of our header, if you wanna change the logo or this navigation menu. So from here we were inside the header template. Now if you want to change your logo, then from left here is the image. If you select this image from here, just click over it, you see this image is basically our logo. So if you want to replace this image with your own logo, just click over this image, upload the logo from your computer, then click on insert media. It's simple like that. And then if you want to work with this menu item, then you need to go inside WordPress dashboard. Now from the left navigation bar, hover over on appearance. From there let's go to menus. Now here if we scroll down, we can see the navigation menu of our website, because if I go to the front end, you see this menu is basically coming from this place. So only to give you example, if I just delete this blog and its sub menu, single block from here, to remove it just click on this down chevron icon. Now from here just click on this remove. Also I wanna remove this blog item, so from here click here and then click on remove. Now to update the menu, from here click on save menu. Now to check it on the front end, just go to the front page. Now refresh the page. Yep, we can no longer see the blog and its sub menu. So in this easy way you can customize your header. Let's now have a look how to import our footer. So let's go inside our WordPress dashboard. From here again hover over on Elements Kit. From there click on header footer. We have already created our header, so this time from top click on add new, and I wanna give its name to my footer, and this time I'm selecting the type to footer. Let's keep it entire site, and here I'm just activating it. Now from here click on save changes. So here my footer has been added. Now click here on edit, then click on this edit content button. Now similar like the header, click on this folder icon, click on this top arrow icon to import the template, then click on this green select file icon or button. Now from here select the footer.json file, click on open. Now here we can see the footer, it says clicks footer. Let's just insert it, click on apply, and here we go. By the way, if you don't want to keep this newsletter section, you can just simply delete it from here. So from top click on X, only if you want to keep your footer simple like this. Now to make it your global footer, just click on this green update button. So if I now go to the front end of our website and refresh the page, just have a look. Now everything is looking great, all the areas are looking perfect. Actually I wanna just go to the very bottom of our page to see how our footer is looking. So let's scroll down. Yep, here we can see our footer is perfectly placed. All right, now I also want to check how our other pages are looking. So from the top menu bar, let's click on about to check our about page. So here is our about page is looking great. And you know, if you want to change anything on the about page, similar like the home page, you can just go inside Elementor and you can edit everything, all the images, all the heading, all the text, all the content by yourself. And you already know it's self-explanatory, so you just need to click over that content and you can edit that from the left side of the Elementor page builder. So here our about page is looking really great. All these sections here, the skills section, here's the team section, so everything is looking great on the about page. Let's now go to the gallery page. Here on the gallery page everything has been placed perfectly, so you know you can change all of this by yourself with your own images, with your own portfolios. Then let's go to the next page, that's the pricing page. So here pricing plans, everything is looking great. Here you have got the nice looking pricing table. Here is client's reviews again. Here is the contact us option. So far everything is looking great. Let's now go to our contact page. So here is our contact page. Contact page is also looking great, but I think we need to add the contact form here because this right side is empty. And of course you should have a contact form on your contact page. And you may remember on the folder we have just unzipped. Within the KP templates folder, we already have the contact form.json file. We just need to import that within the contact page. So here we have got our contact page. Now if we wanna edit the contact page, from the top of this page, just click on edit with Elementor. So from inside Elementor page builder, here within this right column, I wanna insert the contact form. And here if you just move your cursor like this, you should get a blue area. So I'm moving my cursor here. Yep, we have got the area, but don't get confused if you don't find it. You can just right click over here and you can open the navigator. So from here I'm opening navigator. So if I now go inside of this column, here we can see the made form. Actually we just need to select this made form widget from here. This made form widget is basically this blue area. Alright, so whenever you will select this made form widget, on the left side you will find this option. It says edit form. Just click on this edit form button. Now from here select new and you can give any name to your form. So here I'm giving it a name, it's my form. Then underneath keep it blank and then click on edit form. So this is basically the made form builder, and we have the made form JSON file on our downloaded folder. We just need to import that here. So click on this folder icon again. Then from the right top corner, click on this top arrow icon, then click on select file, and this time I'm selecting contact form.json. This file, click on open. So here it says clicks contact form. Let's now click on insert button, click on apply. So here is our contact form. Actually we cannot see it properly here because the placeholders colors are kind of white, and this builder's background color is also white, but we can see it on real page. So for the moment, from top right corner, click on update and close. And here we go. Let's now close the navigator by clicking on this X so we can see the form properly. So right now if anyone fill up this contact form and right after putting their first name, email, message, they click on this submit button, you will get all this information within your WordPress dashboard. So from your WordPress dashboard you just need to go from made form, then click on entries. You will find all the entries, I mean all the people that contacted you via the contact form. You will get all their information within this entries field. By the way, if you want to learn more advanced thing about the made form, I have a different tutorial for that. Like at the same time, if you wanna get this information within the WordPress dashboard, also if you wanna get an instant email, I have shown all these advanced settings in details on that particular video. So I will also put that video link in the description. Alright, so whenever you are happy with your page, don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. So in this way you can create your amazing photography website really fast just by using KitPapa template kits. And here I wanna show you another thing really quickly. For example, here we can see other template kits, like here we can see bird eye aerial photography template kit. And if you have a look on these template kits, here you see this template kit requires Elementor Pro. Also, if you have a look on this kit, it doesn't require Elementor Pro, so you can make it just by using Elementor free version. Also, clicks this one we have just created, it also doesn't require Elementor Pro, so we have done that just by using Elementor free version. Now I wanna show you really quickly how to make a website that requires Elementor Pro. For example, this one, this bird eye one, let's click on this bird eye template kit, and if you scroll down, if you read the details, you see it's using Elementor Pro. But there is a great advantage which template kits are made by using Elementor Pro. That is, you can create that whole website within 2 to 3 minutes. Because you don't need to import header, footer or contact forms separately, you can import them all together just by few clicks. So let me just show you very quickly how to install a template kit that requires Elementor Pro. It's actually super fast. And I already have purchased this Bird Eye Elementor template kit. And after purchasing it, I have got this zip file. It says Bird Eye Aerial Photography zip file. And this time we don't need to do any other thing like unzipping or importing the header and footer separately. We don't need to do all other extra thing. And for this Bird Eye one, here I have installed another WordPress only for you. So I can show you from scratch how easily you can import a template kit that requires Elementor Pro. Trust me, it would take only 2 to 3 minutes. So this is just a freshly installed WordPress like I have installed the previous website. So here I wanna do the same basic settings, like from the appearance go to themes. Here I wanna also install the Hello Elementor theme. So here I'm searching for Hello Elementor. Here you go. Let's just activate it by clicking here. So we have installed and activated Hello theme, and now let's go to plugins to add new, because I want to install Elementor page builder. So from here I'm searching for Elementor. Here is Elementor website builder. Just click on install now. Now click on activate. Similar like before, just close this from the top right corner. Then I also wanna do the same settings. Now from the settings, let's go to permalinks. From here I wanna set the permalink structure to post name. Scroll down, click on save changes. So we are almost ready to import the template kit. But like I said, this Bird Eye template kit requires Elementor Pro. Like it says here, it's using Elementor Pro. So if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com/e-pro. I will put that link in the description. So if you just go to that link, that will take you to the Elementor's pricing page. And from here, you can take any of these packages. By the way, right now, Black Friday sale is going on. That's why you can see here the discounted prices. But in normal time, you will get this one website license for $49. Then for example, if you are an agency and if you want license for 1000 websites, you will get that for $399. So you can take any of them, which is perfect for you. And I personally have 1000 website licenses because I need to do a lot of work for myself and for my clients. So after purchasing any of these plans, you will basically get a dashboard of Elementor like this. And from your Elementor customer dashboard, you will find a Elementor Pro download link. From there, just click on download zip. So Elementor Pro plugin will be downloaded on your computer. Let's now go back inside of our WordPress dashboard. So this time go to plugins to add new. And here click on upload plugin, and we need to choose the file we have just downloaded. That's Elementor Pro file. So this is basically it. So I'm just dragging it here. Now click on install now, and then click here on activate plugin. And you need to connect Elementor Pro. So just click here, connect and activate. So yep, this is my account. Now click on activate, and now the status is showing active. So if we now go to plugins to install plugins, we don't need any other plugin, just Elementor and Elementor Pro. Now from here, go to Elementor to its settings. Make sure from under advanced tab, this enable unfiltered file uploads option is enabled. Let's scroll down, click on save changes. Then from under Elementor, this time click on tools, go under import or export kit. And from here, import a template kit, click on start import. Now from here, click on select file, and this time I will be selecting the Bird Eye one I have just purchased. Select it, click on open. So here it requires Elementor and Elementor Pro, and we already have installed them both. So from here, click on next. Now from here, just keep everything checked, then click here on import. So similar like that, it will take few seconds, of course not few minutes. So just wait for it, don't refresh the page. Actually sometimes it depends on your internet speed, so just wait for it. And here we go, it says your kit is now live on your site. Awesome. Now let's click on close. So let's have a look at the front end of this website. So from here, if I hover over on site name, and here you can see visit site, I'm opening it from a new tab, and here our website is live instantly. And here everything I can see, everything is looking great, all the animations are working perfectly, everything is working really smoothly. And here the interesting thing is, just have a look at the bottom of the page, we have got the footer with it, and also if we have a look at the top, we have got the header here instantly. Also if I go to other pages like about page, so here on the about page everything is looking great, all the animations are looking very perfect. Okay, so let's just go to our drones page. So everything, all the pages has imported perfectly, we can see the website instantly. And I wanna show you another thing, as it's made using Elementor Pro. So if we just go to the blog page, we can see here all the blog posts like this. Also if you want, you can go to the single blog post page, we can see all the single blog post page perfectly. And also let's go to the contact page. I just want to check the contact form has been imported perfectly. So let's scroll down. Yep, we can see the contact form is here. Alright, so lastly if we go to KitPapa.com and let's go to the home page. Again from here, if we now go to the photography category, you see some of them requires Elementor Pro, some of them doesn't require Elementor Pro. But now if you know both how to make your website using Elementor free version or by using Elementor Pro version, so this is how you can make any kind of photography website really fast. Still, if you have any question or if you just want to share your experience with this tutorial, feel free to comment below on this video. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.